So how do you improve the Novitec Ferrari 812 Superfast N-Largo S? Well, of course, by making a GTS S. That was nice and loud. What makes an Nlargo so noticeable is the fact that it's so much wider thanks to the carbon fiber body kit, 7 centimeters wider in the front. Speaking of carbon fiber, that massive carbon fiber lip in front as well. And then here on our blackened out mesh grille, you've got the prancing horse. That's black in the front and in the rear, similar to the black badges that you get on Rolls-Royce. And also with the S, it's different that the badge over here and on the sides lie in a bed of carbon fiber. Speaking of carbon fiber, you can have a fully carbon fiber visible hood, but on this one you only have the flaps over there, the outlets to the air vents in carbon fiber. I just have to say, we've painted this is a customer request, and it's completely seamless as opposed to the one that's been done from the factory, from the Competizione, and I'll show you, you can actually feel that there's a bit of a height difference on the paint. Now let's have a look at the wheels. This car rides lower on a sport suspension. That is 35 millimeters lower than the standard one, but if you're scared you're going to scrape your lip and you don't have lift installed, we can fit that for you. It'll raise the car by 40 millimeters. Not to forget, of course, our NF11 wheels here in an absolutely gorgeous shiny black, and if you want to have different finishes, then just have a look at our website, novitecgroup.com. 21-inch over here with a center lock look, and I love that this Ferrari badge is also on a bed of carbon fiber. But what happens towards the side of the car? On the side of the car, it's very evidential the difference between the normal Nlargo and the Nlargo S's. That is predominantly on the rear side of the front fenders, where you've got an air vent over there along this massive carbon fiber side skirt towards the rear. This is also a new section, also with an air vent over there. Now, the massive shoulders of our Nlargos, 14 centimeters wider at the rear than you have from the stock one, and of course this car 211 centimeters wide. It's absolutely broad. Just at the top of the shoulders you've got these air vents with the carbon fiber tips as well, and then of course not to forget our 22-inch NF11s at the back, center lock look with a little horse in carbon fiber. I think to see the rear of the car a bit better, we're going to turn it around. Today is probably one of the windiest days in frickin' Germany. They actually put out a warning to say, don't blow away. So, let's see if we can manage to do it in this weather. Woo-wee! Now that is proper noise, of course, thanks to that 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 that sends a lot of noise through our sports exhaust system. The quad tailpipes over here being housed in a body of carbon fiber alongside with that carbon fiber diffuser, and then over here the incorporated ducktail, similar to what you get in the Competizione, as opposed to what we had in previous models, or the just Nlargos, where you had a separate wing on the top. As we said, that blackened out badge over here looking really, really nice. Would you guys like more? Is it the convertible, the GTS S, or would you go for the standard 812 Nlargo S? Now this car is powered by a 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that can rev up to about 9,000 RPM. and of course sending, in conjunction with our sports exhaust system, 840 horsepower and 751 newton meters of torque to the rear tires only through a 7-speed flappy paddle gearbox. Keep your right foot in the woolly carpet and you'll actually get to 102.8 seconds and a top speed of 345 kilometers per hour, which I'm going to go try out, not now. Anyways, let's see how loud this girl actually is. Jeez, that was nice and loud. But what also speaks nice and loud is, of course, the interior of this car. And just look what this customer chose, the blue and white livery that is covering the car. But in here, obviously, just so much leather, white and blue. And of course, this is one of 3 Novitec V12 N-Largo S's, this being the GTS. It's the first one. The other ones are in there being built, and in order to know that you're driving this special car, there is a little plate that tells you that it's number 1 of 3. Now, as you can see, this interior is all made by us, so in case you want to have the interior of your car changed or amended to what you'd like to have, then just contact us on novitecgroup.com and talk to us about what exactly you'd like to have. Now you guys let me know exactly what kind of a color spec you'd actually like to have if you had the choice of a dual tone color scheme. So unfortunately this car we can't take out for a drive today simply because it's storming out there wind-wise and it's going to be delivered to its customer. However, we did make a film on the V12 N-Largo S. If you haven't seen that, pop up over here to check that movie. It is ridiculous. And we're going to put in some scenes from driving so you can have a look at that, because that's exactly what this car sounds like. So that concludes our video for today, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then well, you know what to do. Just don't forget to hit that little reminder bell, and that way you won't miss a single movie that we upload. Also, if you haven't followed us on TikTok or on Instagram and you'd like to, then mine personally, Beyond the Cock and Novitec at the Novitec Group, where you're going to see much more cool things like this beautiful GTS N-Largo. A nice hand of applause, boys. You did a great job. I think she looks lovely. I wish I had her. Thank you so much for this little present. Sadly, not mine. Until next time. Ciao.
Whoop.